Hello, in this video, we will explore 4 websites for mining Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies using your PC or mobile device. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these sites are perfect for you. Let's get started. First Miner GPT. It relies on cloud mining and doesn't require specialized equipment. You can earn Bitcoin using your PC or mobile, with additional tasks to increase earnings. 2. Nice Hash. It allows you to buy and sell mining power. It supports mining multiple cryptocurrencies and provides accurate statistics about your device's performance. 3 AI Crypto Miner. It uses artificial intelligence to enhance mining. It displays detailed statistics and supports mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Fourth, Kudo Miner. Easy to use and flexible. It supports mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with clear statistics and customizable settings. These websites offer a variety of options to start mining easily and efficiently.